Today class we are going to cover about radical equation. First of all, I will tell you bit what is a radical equation. Radical equation is equation in which variables appear mostly in the form of a radical. What does it form of a radical means? In the form of a square root, or in the form of a cube root, or in form of some higher scale order root. For example, we have equation x plus 5 in the form of a square root. What is this? This is a radical equation. This is a radical equation. This is a radical equation. For solving the radical equation, first of all, we have to eliminate this radical. First of all, we have to isolate the radical. Either we can say we have to eliminate the radical. Then we have to proceed for further. For example, I can give you one example to solve this so that you can understand about what is a radical equation in the class. Okay, suppose we can take this equation x plus 5 is equal to 3. We have an equation in the form of a radicals. We have an equation. Now, this is a radical equation. What type of equation is this? This is a radical equation. To solve this radical equation, first of all, we have to isolate the radical or we have to eliminate the radical. What we have to do for isolate or eliminating the, for eliminating the radicals, we have to do squaring both sides. You can write squaring both sides. When we square both sides, it will become x plus 5, like this we can write, and 3 square. Now this square and this square will cancel out each other, and this will become x plus 5, and this will become 3 square. 3 square, it will be a, yes, it is 9. Yes, good. Now we can solve this simple equation. Now we can eliminate, we can subtract minus 5 from both sides. Okay, when we subtract minus 5 from both sides, what we can get? X plus 5 minus 5 become is equal to, yes, it will become is equal to 0, and we can write is x only, and 9 minus 5 it will become 4. Yes, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and this is our answer. So this is a way we can solve a radical equation. Okay, now let's proceed for further. Okay, let's proceed for further. We can start our exercise with this process. Our first question is, understand me of this one? Your first question for this is 4 root x plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 19. Now see, this equation is also in the form of a radical. What we have to do? First of all, we have to subtract 3 from both sides. We can write minus 3, minus 3. We can write minus 3, minus 3. Now this will become 4 root x plus 2 plus 3 minus 3, it will become, yes, it will become 0. So we can didn't write, need not to write here. So 19 minus 3, 9 minus 3, it will be a, yes, 16. Yes, 16. Now it is a 16. Another thing we have to do, now we have to divide 4 to both sides. Now divide, here we can write, you can also write here subtract 3 from both sides. Now for this step, divide 4 both sides. It will become, when we divide here 4 root x plus 2 divided here 4 and 16 divided by 4. These 4 will cancel out each other. It will become x plus 2, and 4 4s are, when we divide 16 with 4, our answer will be 4 4s are 16. Here it will become 4. Yes, 4. Now our next step I can use right here. Now we can squaring both sides. We can write here squaring both sides. Yes, we can square both sides. What will become? Yes, we can write x plus 2 square root is equal to 4 square. Okay, now this square as in the earlier question, it will cancel out each other. It will become x plus 2 is equal to 4 Yes, see 4 4 is 16. Now we can subtract minus 2 from both the sides. It will become x is equal to 6 minus 2, it will be a 4. Is x 16 minus 2, it will be a 14. So our answer is 14. So this is a radical equation. Now down the